welcome back to the channel again. So in earlier video we discussed about budget management as how we can create and manage the budget in odoo 16. So let's further take a real time example and proceed the budget. So we are on odoo 16 accounting module right now. In the Under the accounting sub menu we have a menu called budgets. So earlier, we have created this budget as marketing 2023 and we have added this budgetary position of expenses and incomes. So we can see budgetary positions here of expenses as well as this income. You can see we have added the planned amount of 1 lakh of expenses, and for the income we have planned to the 2 lakh, as we are supposed to spend 1 lakh and we are supposed to earn 2 lakh from this marketing. So let's see how we can record and manage this budget. Let's create one invoice for our marketing purposes as we spend something or we bought something for the customer. Let's add a product that we are invoicing. So for example, we are invoicing a customer as we sold paper boxes for the one quantity and pricing is 500. We can choose related marketing plan that we have mentioned and related chart of account. Then we have that we have mentioned in our budgetary position for the specific account budget. Let's confirm this and let's bill the vendor as well. So for example, we have purchased a printer for our marketing purposes for rupees 10,000 and choosing an analytical account for that. So we have already created an analytical account as a marketing, so we can choose it. Choosing a vendor, same, or let's create new vendor. Adding a bill date and let's confirm the bill. So we have registered and invoiced some customer as well as vendors for these specific budgets. So let's go to budget again. We can see practical amount now has been changed from 0 to minus 10,000 and income is 500. So we have created a bill as we purchased a printer for rupees 10,000. So it is been recorded here and we can see we have earned 500 by selling paper box. So it has been recorded here. Achievement is also changed as 10% of we have planned amount and 2 lakh 0.20% for from our planned amount rupees 2 lakh. Also from the reporting, or we can see we have analytical items from accounting submenu. So from there as well we can see our expenses and income based on our analytical account and analytical plans. So this is how we can create a budget and manage to record invoices or bills in our system, and we can see a broad overview by analytical items, so we can filter it as well from specific analytical accounts as well as plans. So this is how budget management works in odoo 16. Thank you.